Are you involved in a marching band? Then you need to know about an app that could entirely change the way your band coordinates and communicates. It's called Band. Important notices are never missed. When you post a notice on the group board, everyone is notified and they can view it right away on their phone. You can also check who hasn't read the post yet. Post videos and photos of the performances throughout the year. Share files such as sheet music, audio files, and drill charts. Share information with the parents and answer any questions directly in the comments. When you need to gather opinions, you can start a poll and quickly make decisions. Arrange your band's schedule on the group calendar. It makes coordinating so much easier because all the information is always up to date and available to everyone on their phone. You can create multiple bands for different purposes. Download Band